Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024-2023 Acura TLX Type S. In the fiercely competitive landscape of small sports sedans, the 2023 Acura TLX Type S stands out as a compelling option, delivering a harmonious blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. As Acura's flagship performance sedan, the TLX Type S offers an engaging driving experience that appeals to enthusiasts seeking both power and sophistication. Under the hood, the 2023 Acura TLX Type S boasts a robust 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, producing a formidable 355 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque. This power is managed by a 10-speed automatic transmission, with Acura's super handling all-wheel drive (SHAWD) system ensuring optimal traction and dynamic handling. The TLX Type S accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.9 seconds, providing a thrilling burst of speed that enhances its sporty credentials. The TLX Type S excels not only in straight-line performance but also in its handling capabilities. Acura's engineers have meticulously tuned the suspension, chassis, and steering to deliver precise and responsive handling. The double wishbone front suspension and adaptive dampers allow the TLX Type S to balance comfort and agility, making it equally adept at daily driving and spirited cornering. The SHAWD system further enhances stability and control, particularly in challenging driving conditions. Visually, the 2023 Acura TLX Type S exudes a sense of sporty elegance. Its sleek and aerodynamic design is highlighted by sharp lines, an aggressive front fascia, and jewel-eye LED headlights. The sporty aesthetic is complemented by 20-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and Type S-specific styling cues, which contribute to its dynamic presence on the road. Inside, the TLX Type S offers a luxurious and technology-rich environment. High-quality materials such as Milano leather upholstery, ultra-suede accents, and brushed aluminum trim create a refined ambience. The Advanced Technology Suite includes Acura's Precision Cockpit, featuring a 10.2-inch infotainment display, a digital instrument cluster, and a premium ELS Studio 3D audio system. Performance-oriented touches like sports seats and a flat-bottom steering wheel further enhance the driving experience. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive in the 2023 Acura TLX Type S. The sedan is equipped with Acura Watch, a suite of advanced safety technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Acura TLX Type S sets a high bar for performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the TLX Type S offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether navigating urban streets or tackling winding roads, the TLX Type S promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.